Hey guys, when I was reviewing my earlier videos, I noticed something very, very important that I didn't mention. And I'm so used to creating themes and editing themes that I have 100% control over that I forgot basically that if you're editing a theme that is not 100% yours and you control the updates, you really need to be making your changes in a child theme. That way, when the parent theme updates, you don't lose your custom work. And I'm going to show you how to create a child theme. Um, in the past, I've had a lot of people come to me and they've lost their work due to directly editing a theme. Like they'll put their Google Analytics in there and the theme will update and they'll completely lose it. Um, Basically, what a child theme does is it overrides the parent theme. You can have a completely empty child theme and it will be basically a carbon copy of your parent theme. But say you wanted to make changes to like archive.php, you would copy the parent theme's archive.php into the child theme and then make your edits there. That way, if the parent theme updates, you don't lose your custom code. So it's super important to have a child theme. And actually, I'm using this theme called Emerge Blog, and it's a really nice theme, but I've made some edits to functions.php without them being in a child theme. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that in this video and show you how it works and how easy it is to create a child theme. As you see from the back end of my website, this is the only theme that I have. So we're going to go ahead and create the child theme. I am logged into the FTP of my server, so I'm going to do it there. You could do it locally if your site is local. You could do it through a repo if you have your site on GitHub. However, the process is all the same. So we're going to go to our root folder and then go to WP Content, Themes. And once you're in this folder, you'll see a list of all of your themes. Like I said, I only have Emerge Blog. We're going to create a child of that. So to create a child theme, create a new directory, and you can technically name this folder anything you want, but I recommend calling it the parent theme and then dash child. That way you can see at a glance what it is. So we'll go ahead and create that folder and enter it. The only file you need for a child theme to show up and work is a style.css file, and that file needs to contain some metadata. So let's go ahead and create a new file here called style.css, and we're going to edit it, and we're going to put in that metadata here. And the metadata that it's looking for is the name of the theme. Again, I recommend calling it the parent theme's name and then child at the end. And then we'll need the template. Now the template has to be the same name as the folder of the parent. So here we'll put emerge-blog. And I do want to add some version metadata here too. And that's it. This is a CSS style comment. Starts with a slash and a star, and ends with a star and then a slash. So we'll edit that, we'll save it, and then upload it. So I have my style.css file. Technically, if I go in here to themes, I now have a new theme called Emerge Blog Child, and I could activate it and it would work just as my regular theme does. However, earlier I put in custom code in functions.php that I want to take out and put it in my new child. So I will show you how to do that as well. When we create a new file called functions.php, WordPress will load in this child function first, or child file first, and then load in the parent's functions.php. So we'll go ahead and edit this. We'll want to put our opening PHP tag, And then all the extra stuff that we had in functions.php that wasn't there originally, we need to take out of the original file. So I'll just copy this stuff I added custom and restore it to the original state that it was in before I made any edits. And we'll go back here, bring up the file I was editing, and I'll paste all that stuff I just took out. And then we'll go to save and upload it. So now I have my custom functionality in the child theme, so that when the parent theme gets updated, my custom functionality will still be there. So since I changed the parent themes functions.php, I'll go ahead and re-upload that. And that's it as far as creating the child theme. Now what I'll need to do is go into the back end of my website and activate this child theme. So now it's active. I could put a screenshot on here just so it would look just like this one. I might show you how to do that in a later video if you don't know how. I'll go back to my website and I'll refresh. My website is still there. It looks mostly the same. This is a new theme, so there are a few things in the customizer that I'll have to do. But now my theme is safe from updates. I can add any kind of modifications to that functions.php file. Like I said earlier, if I wanted to update archive.php, I would copy it from the parent and put it in the child as archive.php, or start a new one. You can start from scratch too if you want to. The child file will override the parent's file. So it's really easy to create a custom theme or a custom child theme, and I really hope this was helpful for you. Please don't forget to do it if you're making edits, because you will lose your code at some point if you don't 100% control the theme. I know I presented all that information kind of fast. It's late at night, so take your time, digest it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll get to it as soon as I can. Thank you for watching my video.